it's a connection, right? It's an ecosystem between suppliers, workers, partners, everything.
Okay, Eduardo, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Joanne.
Yes, Joanne,
Nice
that's
to
right.
meet you.
Yeah, so this is, you guys are kind of new here for this.
Yes,
this
like
market.
this is our 4th edition already.
Okay,
Yes,
all right.
yes, it is.
That's wonderful. So now tell us what you do. I think.
So we're a footwear manufacturer based in León, right? So what we basically do is we produce footwear, send it to North America, either US or Canada, right? We're very strategic because we're very close to the border, right? We do 24-hour delivery to the border, then we send to like California, Montana, Quebec, mostly everywhere in the US, right?
Okay.
And we're actually pretty fast. It
That's
takes us
fabulous.
from the border to your place around 7 to 10 days maximum.
So I think the key word here for brands that are coming to this show is the nearshoring.
Nearshoring
Yeah.
is the thing. Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. Nearshoring is something new. It's something that the world's changing. I think we have to diversify where we're producing footwear. And Mexico, we're neighbors. We're always going to be neighbors of the U.S. And I think it's where a lot of brands have to be.
Have you seen the impact with the tariffs really sort of start to push business?
A lot,
Yeah.
a lot. So we actually were a little bit scared what's going to happen, but a lot of business came. So with all this tariff situation, with the world changing, there's been a lot of projects coming down.
Good, good.
Yes.
So we've been here for almost a full day.
Yes.
And how was day one for you?
Day one was wonderful. There was a lot of things going. A lot of people, a lot of meetings in the morning. We were very surprised because we were like having a lot of interaction, a lot of people coming in the booth. We created this whole. We just made our new merch and everything.
So you met some new clients today?
Yes,
Good.
yes, we did. So we had a lot of potential leads.
Is there some kind of specialty about what kind of footwear you guys produce?
So we produce a lot of niche footwear. We produce roofing. We produce golf. We produce kitchen footwear. Specialized footwear. We can do it.
So it's more like almost like industrial use, like construction workers and.
It could be for construction. It could be for grounding purposes. Whatever. It has to be a different type of footwear, not the conventional. It has to be for more like a specialty, right? For industrial purposes, safety, tactical, kitchen, golf, anything.
So technical things, technical issues, and I would say certain standards you need to meet.
Yes.
Like governmental standards. And
Yes.
stuff
So
like that.
we
This matters.
all our footwear we can do ASTM approval, ISO approval, CSA approval.
Perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
All those
That's wonderful.
certificates. Yes.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
so much.
Appreciate your time, Eduardo, and I hope the rest of the show is good for you.
Thank you so much.